Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a special unboxing. We got a drone from a subscriber request to do the unboxing. Not sure what is the model or any details about it. Yeah, let's dig in, see what is inside. The only info what I have is a drone from Aliexpress, and that's pretty much all. So let's open it, see what we got. Nothing more inside. Get rid of the foil. We got the case. Okay. Oh. Yeah, that's the drone. Propellers. Charging cable. Instructions. Operating instructions. How to operate the drone in English and several other languages. Okay, that's good. That is not Chinese. And that one is not sure. That's all Chinese. Chinese, English, software instructions. Okay. Software instructions. Yeah. The remote control. That's a remote. That was already opened, maybe. Okay. That's the controls. Okay. It opens like that to keep it and steer better. Some buttons. Oh, it has the old charging cable port, as you can see. So yeah, that's the remote. And the drone itself, oh, it has a motor. I see brass motor. Not sure if you can see inside. Yeah. No, first that one, okay. Not sure how it operates. How I said, I don't have any info about the model or the price, etc. HD camera on the back. And another camera here. Not sure about anything. Didn't test it. We have no info. Just a blind unboxing, I guess. Oh, that's what exactly? Not sure. Yeah, some part. Not sure for what exactly that is. Yeah, anyways, we need to test it in order to say something more about it. It looks not well built, so is it cheap plastic material? So probably price range, I will say 25 till 40 euros, something like that. No more. Yeah, it has cameras here too. So 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. So I guess for a, no, 5, okay, 5 cameras. HD video. Brushless motor, yeah. Yeah, you can search in Aliexpress. They have tons of different models and prices. Some expensive ones, some cheaper. I had one in the past in the price range around 25 or 30 euros. It's just you wasting your time because the battery doesn't last long and it's just struggling to fly. But this model seems to be better than this what I had in the past. So brushless motor, I guess, will do the job done much better. Let's hope for our subscriber. Yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.